Hey guys, Dan here with Oklahoma Joe's, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Rider DLX Pellet Grill. So the Rider DLX is going to be the biggest in our pellet grill lineup, and it's going to be the most feature-packed as well. In terms of dimensions, we're talking 55 inches wide, about 55 inches tall, and it all comes in weighing about 225 pounds. As far as capacity, you're going to get a whopping 1,234 square inches of cooking space inside the smoking chamber. Speaking of those features, let's start over here in the front with our pick control. So this is a proprietary design system that we worked on in-house here. And this is going to be basically the brains of the grill, and it's going to control the temperatures that you're getting in your smoke chamber. And the way you set those temperatures is by using this large knob here, with the white numbers on the bottom being your smoking temperatures that will increase in increments of 25 degrees up to 300. And then on the upper left here is going to be your grilling temperatures, and that starts at about 350, 400, and on the Deluxe will go up to 650 plus on the high setting. Right next to that, you're going to see the LCD screen. So this is going to be the readout where you're going to see your actual temperature that you're achieving in the smoke chamber. This is also going to be where the two guidance features that are included on the pick control system are going to read out as well. So the first guidance feature is going to be your timer function, and that's going to allow you to set a cook time and then alert you when that cook time has completed. And then right next to that, you're going to see the meat probe function, and this is going to allow you to monitor internal meat temperatures as well as set targets for those internal meat temperatures and alert you when your food hits those temperatures. The system will include a single meat probe, but we have ports here for two, and you'll be able to buy a secondary meat probe as an accessory. If you look over to the side of the grill here, in conjunction with the meat probe function, you'll see a port which will allow you to pass that probe through, and that way you're not breaking the seal on the lid and leaking any smoke. So moving on from the pick control, I wanted to talk next about the QuickDraw Hopper. So this is where you're going to put your wood pellet fuel. And the hopper on the Rider Deluxe holds 20 pounds of wood pellets. But the really cool feature that we've built in is a drainage system on this hopper that incorporates our included pellet storage bucket. So this is a plastic bucket that comes with the unit, holds up to 20 pounds of pellets, and this just provides a really nice, sturdy, dry place to store your pellets in between usages. And the way that it integrates with the system is just by sliding into the hopper underneath. There's a bracket there that can hold the bucket. Once it's in place, you basically just pull the quick draw handle here, and this will drain the entire contents of the hopper and allow you to quickly swap out pellets. So this will allow you to swap out your pellets for flavors. So if you're cooking something different and you want to use a different flavor of pellet, you can easily just drain the hopper, swap it out, and put in your new flavor. Or between cooks, you're going to want to drain out the hopper to make sure that the pellets aren't just sitting in the hopper when you're not using it and collecting moisture. So a couple other cool things on the hopper. You can notice here a nice big work surface that you get on top just because of the dimensions of the hopper. It gives you this nice area. And then around back here, we have a couple tabs here that provide a place for really easy cord management. So moving on, looking on the front and side of the grill, you're going to see our towel bar with 4 tool hooks. And on the side, you're going to see a side shelf. So these are modular components, and they'll be accessories so that you can swap out and customize your grill to whatever configuration you want. So next, let's move on to the interior of the smoke chamber. We get a closer look at those cook surfaces that you're going to get. So on the Deluxe, you're going to get a total of 3 different cooking surfaces. Your 2 upper cooking racks are going to be 6mm porcelain coated wire. And that's going to provide 328 square inches each. And then on your main surface area, you're going to have a 9mm cast iron cooking grate. And this is going to provide 578 square inches of total cooking space. So the cast iron is fantastic for retaining heat and really getting that searing performance that you're wanting when you're grilling on this grill. So if we take a look below that, you're going to see another really cool and unique feature on the Rider Deluxe. So we have this shiftable heat baffle, and what that allows you to do is you can shift the mode that you're cooking in from a smoke mode to a sear mode. So on a smoke mode, the heat baffle is going to disperse your heat and evenly heat up the entire smoke chamber. But when you're really wanting that searing performance, you just slide the handle over to the sear mode, and this opens up a direct pathway and isolates heat in this central circular grate area. And that's gonna really allow you to predictably grill at high temperatures and get really nice searing performance. And the added benefit of that is that it creates two distinct cooking zones. So you'll have a high heat sear zone in the center, and on either side, you'll have a lower heat grilling area for things like chicken breasts or heating up buns or doing veggies while you're searing your steaks in the center. So a really cool feature, and it really allows you to have a more versatile use of the grill, and you can truly get searing performance and smoking performance all out of the same package. So another really cool feature that you're gonna get on the interior of the Rider Deluxe is going to be our Flex system. So this is a modular accessory system, and it integrates with the grate and the rack. So for this central circular grate, you're gonna be able to swap this grate out for a carbon steel griddle and a carbon steel deep dish pan, and get more versatility out of the cooking surface in that way. And then along the top here, you're gonna see 4 vertical support brackets, and these integrate with these full-size grates, which will come out, and then there'll be 3 different types of accessory racks that you can plug into those brackets and really configure this chamber however you like. So there's a lot of vertical space to work with, and a lot of space overall, and those racks and this grate are gonna allow you to really customize the system and really get the most out of all of this space. So moving on to the bottom of the Rider Deluxe, let's take a look at some of the cleaning features that we've integrated. So right in the center, you're gonna see our stainless steel ash cup, and this is gonna collect ashes directly from the fire pot into this cup that's easily unscrewable and removable, and that makes cleaning out your ashes between cooks super easy. It's basically just unscrew and dump and then rescrew it in, so there's no digging into the fire pot or anything like that to have to clean it out in that way. And then you're also going to notice our dual grease bucket system. So this really does a great job at making sure that all of the grease that's collected at the bottom of the grill pours out into these grease cups, and you're not worried about pulling up grease and having to worry about grease fires. So down here we have a large bottom shelf, which is great for storing your pellets or any other supplies. We have our Oklahoma Joe wagon style wheels as always. And on the Rider Deluxe, you're gonna get a set of custom casters that will really make moving this beast around a little bit easier for you. And last but not least, we include a cast iron grate lifter to round out the package. So that has been the detailed breakdown of the Rider Deluxe. I hope it was informative, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. At Oklahoma Joe's, we are dedicated to helping you get the most out of your smoker. We welcome your comments, questions, and suggestions on our products and videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest product news, tips, and recipes.